Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's recipe is a pineapple upside down cake, and that too I'm making without oven or convection and in a kadai. So to know how to make this recipe, let's get started. So to start with, I'm taking 1 cup of milk and adding 2 teaspoons of vinegar and letting it curdle for around 5 to 10 minutes, keeping it aside. If you don't have vinegar, you can also use lemon juice for this procedure. Meanwhile, let's make caramel for the recipe. I'm taking 1 teaspoon of butter on a kadai and adding 2 tablespoons of jaggery to it. But the actual recipe is with brown sugar, so if you have brown sugar at home, you can use it for the recipe. In this place, you can also add 1 or 2 teaspoons of water to it because my jaggery was already powdered jaggery. I did not use water. Make sure to cook it on a low flame or you may lose the paste and it will start sticking to the bottom of the pan, so make sure you cook it on a low flame. So the caramel starts bubbling up slowly, and after it entirely starts bubbling up like this, you may turn off the stove and transfer it into a cake tin that is lined with the parchment paper. Then I'm placing pineapple slices like so into the cake tin. I have used almost 4 pineapple slices for this recipe. Depending on the size of the cake tin and these pineapple slices, you may require 1 or 2 extra. If you don't have parchment paper with you, you can grease the cake tin really well or the tin that you're using to bake really well with oil or butter. Then dust it with the plain flour, that is maida. Let it set for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let's start making the cake batter. So for that, take a mixing bowl and add 1/4 cup of oil and make sure it to be non-flavored oil. And I'm adding 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. You can also use 3/4 cup of powdered sugar or superfine sugar so that the process will be a little quick. I'm mixing it well so that the sugar starts melting down. This procedure took me a while because I have used granulated sugar. So be patient. After I notice the sugar starts melting, I have added the curdled milk that was set aside earlier. Give it a good mix so that oil, milk and sugar mixes well and incorporates a lot of air bubbles so that our cake turns out spongy. After mixing it well, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of pineapple essence to it and giving it all a good mix again. After this is done, I'm moving ahead to adding all the dry ingredients now. So I'm adding 1 1/4 cup of maida, that is all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and the remaining 1/4 cup of maida that I did not add earlier, so I'm adding now. And using a whisk, I'm giving it all a good mix slowly without over mixing it or mixing it just like that and breaking all the air bubbles that was incorporated earlier. So make sure you be very gentle while mixing now. After mixing it for a while, this turned out to be lump free and to a perfect consistency mixture. Meanwhile, let's set our kadai for baking. So I have taken a big bottom kadai here and I've added 1 cup of salt to it. You can also use sand here. Cover and preheat for 10 minutes. And now let's transfer the prepared cake batter to the cake tin that was set earlier aside. And make sure to tap the cake tin twice or thrice so that there are no large air bubbles in it. Now our preheated kadai is ready, so transfer the cake tin into the kadai and cover it and cook it for around 10 to 15 minutes in high flame and 20 to 25 minutes in low flame. You can check it in the middle. And for the convection instructions, refer the description below. After baking it for around half an hour, you can check your cake by poking a toothpick into it. And if the toothpick comes out clean, your cake is ready. If not, you can bake it for another 10 to 15 minutes. So now my cake is ready, so I'm setting it aside for around 10 minutes, covering it with a cotton cloth. Later, I have transferred it onto a plate. And look at this, guys, it has turned out into a nice, soft and spongy cake. Give this recipe a try, and until next time, bye!